So there it is, the 1957 Thunderbird right rear quarter panel, inner quarter panel. Got this thing re-welded and lined up there, and this is what it looks like. I've got it semi-installed. I don't think I have the correct angle. This is what it looks like right now. I've got it screwed in there. And just to show you what I've done, let's back up a little bit here. There we go. And a little showing from the back here too. Got to get this angle correct here. This angle right here, it's about 5 degrees from what I can see. Now what I've also done is replaced some trunk components, not quite welded in yet, but I'm ready to go here, I think, as soon as I get this inner fender, the inner quarter panel fender done. Now, obviously the steel here is cut out, and you can see the steel on the bottom of the quarter panel is cut out. Now I want to show you what was there. You're gonna like this one. Okay, here you go. This is what was there. Fit something like this. It's probably 5 pounds worth of mud. Look at that. I mean, mud, and you got some screen material here. Where is that? Yeah, screen material. You can see that. But that, you can see, I think it fit more like this. No, I don't know. Maybe it was more like this. I think that was part of it right there. So that's what made up the quarter panel. Now I knew that this car had rust, and I knew that this was back here, but I guess I was kind of flabbergasted that there was this much mud making up the bottom of the quarter panel. So anyway, there it is. And it did look pretty hinky when it was installed. It's probably, I mean, this thing is pretty heavy. Probably weighs, I don't know, a couple, 2-3 pounds anyway. So there we go. That's my progress so far. Next step is to get the actual fender, the actual quarter panel in place, and I'll show you what that's going to look like in the next video.